right there. Hang on, Ryan. There you go. Now you can see me. What? Steady passenger, just a whisker.
Here's your glamour shot.
Yep. A little more passenger. Yep. Go forward. You're good. Yep. And front right's on it. Now you turn a little, not a lot, but a little more to driver. Yep. More to driver. More. Right there. You got a good brake? Okay. More to driver. More. Yep. Seal it down. You'll drop about a foot onto this next one. Okay? Steady driver, don't fall off that. Perfect.
Still didn't scratch it. You better do it
We're
again.
not done yet. Yeah, straight ahead. We want the rear end to kind of do the same thing. Thank you. Rear foot blind. Rear little bottom. Get that rear tire pin. You're just sideballing it. Your pin started up, it ain't going anywhere. Keep it down. About a foot until the right rear's on the ground. There it is. Drive on. It's probably going to take me a little. Yeah, give me a rear only. Yeah. Now, hard driver. Got to get pretty tight with that, but don't hit it.